What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy Fred Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, we'll be cleaning the oiled air filter on our cold air intake on our Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Alright, let's get it. It's gonna be fairly easy. We're just gonna have to remove this guy from the filter. Then we're going to rinse it off with water, and then use our little package here. We're gonna hit it with the cleaner, rinse it off again, and let it dry. And once it's dry in a few hours, hit it, re-oil it, and then reinstall it, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. This process is the same for any other oiled filter, media, air filter, like a Can-Am or anything. It's not very specific to AFE power. It's just a general how-to. Careful. Don't get too excited. There we are. Nice and easy. Woo. That is dirty. Nothing's gone through, so we know it's working. Now, spray this on. You gotta let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay. Rinse it, repeat, make sure it's clean. All right, so while we wait, you might as well clean the lid. You know, give it a nice little wipe down. Yeah, no. Get some dirt out of there. I really like this Cerakote box. 10 minutes is gone. We're gonna give it another little rinsey poo, and we're gonna let it dry for a couple hours. Cool. So I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna let this air dry right here. Right there. Just gonna keep it there. Get all the air in there. See you guys in 3 hours. So we're back. 3 hours later. This baby is dry as a cucumber. Left it out in the sun. You know, beautiful day. We waited about 3 hours, and you know, it's dry. One way of doing it is leaving it overnight, but we ain't got no time for that. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. Here's our guy. All right. Air filter oil. So we're gonna spray it about 6 to 8 inches away from the surface. Okay, we're not gonna put any inside. We're gonna put it on the outside and then let it seep through. Once it's blue inside, we know it's soaked right through. We just let it dry for 45 minutes. There you go. You know, just lightly let it, take your time, let it seep through, right? Just do that. Get that all in there. Let it sit. It's probably gonna whiten up a bit. All right. So also remember to get that inside. Boom. Good thing is that it's blue, so you know if it's applied or not. So again, inside it's still looking a bit gray. I don't know if you can see that. Some shadows. We're gonna wait till it bleeds through. All right. So if we applied it on the inside, it's gonna sit right on the surface and it's gonna go right into the intake, right? So this is why we do it the way we do it. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe off the excess off the surface, and then we're gonna let it sit for what, 45 minutes, and then see how it all turns out. Now after 45 minutes, if you have any gray spots, that means you have to add more oil. Simple, right? All right, let's do that. See that? Yeah. All right. Don't want to over oil it. All right, homies, 45 minutes is up. Let's go take a look at this filter. Nice and blue. Around, doesn't look like we missed any spots. It absorbed real nice. And as you can see in there, you got a little few spots that are blue. Still needs to seep through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it again on the outside. Okay, a little bit, a few spots. And then we're gonna install it. And then we're not gonna start it till the morning, so we're good to go after that. So one more time. 6 to 8 inches. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Boom. Get that in there. Pop that hood. Let's install this baby. We're good to go. Look at that. It's blue inside a bit. See a little bit of white. But we put that extra. I know it's gonna bleed through. Alright. Got our housing again. And in here. Throw this guy simply into here. Make sure all the notches get in there. Basically just shove that. Ow. Boom. See, we got that nice seal. Just gonna go slap that baby on. Look at that. Easy. Bam. It's all clipped in. Look at that. To plug in the temperature sensor. Right. Nice and easy. Detach everything first. Boom. The biggest part of this was drying time. So we picked a nice Sunday day to do this. Yeah. We're not starting it till the morning, but check this out. All right, look at that. Boom, it's blue. It's blue on the inside. We didn't oil the inside. Nice and tight. And there you have it. All right, guys, so that's how you clean an oil air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Now this is a Momentum GT, but this also applies to K&N and other products that are similar. All right, so take your time, take it easy, have a beer, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.